In this video podcast, we are going to delve deeply into the key takeaways from the book, How to Day Trade for a Living. First, we will learn about who Andrew Aziz is and why his experience makes him an authoritative voice in the world of trading. Then, we will provide a detailed summary of the book's content, breaking down the most important strategies it proposes, such as the 2% rule and the use of the VWAP indicator. We will also analyze its strengths and weaknesses, what other readers think on sites like Amazon and Goodreads, and conclude with my personal opinion on who this book is intended for. So, if you want to learn about trading or are looking for valuable resources to enhance your skills, this video is for you. Let's get started. Who is the author? Andrew Aziz is a well-known name in the trading world. He is a best-selling author, an experienced trader, and the manager of a proprietary fund. He holds a PhD and has experience as a professional engineer, which adds a methodological approach to his way of operating in the markets. Furthermore, his books have been translated into more than a dozen languages, reflecting his global relevance. Aziz is not just a theorist. He has dedicated his career to sharing practical strategies and building a community of traders who seek to learn from his experience. This point is key to understanding why his book, How to Day Trade for a Living, has had such an impact. Book summary. The book covers the basic concepts of day trading in a clear and accessible way. Aziz explains how to identify stocks in play, which are stocks with high volume, a fundamental catalyst, and movements independent of the market. These stocks are at the core of day trading because they offer the best profit opportunities. He also introduces essential tools such as candlestick charts and the VWAP, a technical indicator that helps identify trends and set entry and exit points. Aziz spends time explaining the importance of developing a disciplined trader mentality, emphasizing that success is not based on luck but on preparation and risk management. A crucial point, in my opinion, is how Aziz describes the learning process in trading. He talks about the steep learning curve traders face and offers practical advice to overcome it, such as using simulators before risking real money. This step-by-step approach is one of the book's most valuable aspects, as it helps beginners avoid common mistakes. Key strategies. One of the most important strategies Aziz describes is the 2% rule. This rule states that you should never risk more than 2% of your total capital on a single trade. For example, if you have $10,000 in capital, your maximum risk per trade should be $200. This not only protects your capital but also reduces the emotional impact of losses, helping you trade with a clear and focused mindset. Another standout strategy is the use of VWAP, volume weighted average price. This technical indicator is used to determine whether a stock is in an uptrend or downtrend. For instance, if a stock's price is above the VWAP, it indicates an uptrend, while being below suggests a downtrend. Aziz explains how to use this indicator to identify entry and exit points and set stop-loss levels. Additionally, Aziz introduces the support and resistance strategy. Identifying key levels where a stock's price tends to bounce or reverse can be very valuable for planning your trades. For example, if a stock shows indecision near a support level, it could be a good opportunity to buy, with a stop-loss slightly below that level. Similarly, resistance levels can be used for short positions or to set exit points. What makes these strategies unique is how Aziz connects them with risk management and trading psychology, offering a comprehensive approach that goes beyond traditional techniques. Strengths and weaknesses of the book. Among the strengths of the book, its practical approach and clarity stand out. It is ideal for beginners looking for an introduction to day trading. However, some more experienced traders consider it too basic and criticize Aziz for heavily promoting his website and trading community, which some may perceive as more of a marketing strategy than an educational resource. Analysis of reviews on Amazon and Goodreads. Most reader reviews are positive, especially among those just starting out in trading. Many praise Aziz's writing style and his ability to explain complex concepts in a simple manner. However, there are also criticisms about the repetition of certain topics and the focus on beginners, which may not be as useful for experienced traders. After conducting a sentiment analysis of the reviews, we found that the general perception is positive, although negative comments focus on aspects like repetition and lack of depth for advanced traders. This balance of opinions highlights the book's usefulness for a specific audience, primarily those new to trading. Conclusions. My personal opinion is that How to Day Trade for a Living is an excellent resource for those starting their journey in trade. It offers a solid foundation in strategies and risk management, but also makes it clear that success in trading requires effort and dedication. This book is mainly aimed at beginners, but even intermediate traders might find value in the well-explained strategies it presents. Before saying goodbye, I want to invite you to leave a comment with your impressions of the book analysis, or if you've already read it. What other book do you suggest to complement this one? Also, remember that we have left the purchase link in the video description. If you decide to buy it, you will not only gain a valuable resource for your learning but also help us maintain this channel through Amazon's affiliate program. Thank you for staying until the end. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.